What is up, you guys? Thank you so much for watching yet another video with me today. So you can see by the title of this video, today we're going to be doing an install video of my Street Aero rear diffuser, which I'm very excited about. Thank you so much to Street Aero for providing me with this rear diffuser. I really appreciate you guys. If you guys are interested in a similar rear diffuser or another rear diffuser for your vehicle, be sure to check them out in my description below. I'll go ahead and leave the link to their store down there. If you have any interest, make sure to check them out. But without further ado, won't hold up the video much longer. We'll go ahead and grab the Street Aero rear diffuser. We'll go over to my buddy's shop, Roman at Neo Garage. Roman, thank you so much for letting me use your shop to install this. I really appreciate you guys. If you have any interest in any off-road vehicle parts, any performance vehicle parts, they got it all. They have great shipping, great customer service. I get all my other parts through them. If you have any interest in them, be sure to check them out. I'll leave their link in the description below as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and get my car started, do a little cold start, and then we'll head to the shop. All right, got our Street Aero diffuser. Go ahead and get this installed. As you can tell, got winter time here in Ohio, freezing out. All right, just set that in there. Oh crap, got my camera bag. Looks way too good. Look at that. I'm in love with that carbon fiber hood. Looks so good. Especially on the crystal white pearl, along with these headlights and the black wrap. I love it. Looks amazing. Couldn't be more happy with it. My new shift knob boot, I love it. Along with my Daytona Pro We Are Likewise knob. Got my carbon fiber pieces on my wheel, love it. OEM STI wheel cover piece. Sounds too perfect. Enough of that. I will go ahead and head to the shop, and I'll see you guys over there. Got the car on the lift. Here are the rear spats that I had before, along with the Maxton Design rear diffuser. Really liked how it looked. It was very plain, simple, basic. Made the rear end look a little lower, but I did want to go a little more aggressive, and I think the Street Aero rear diffuser will do just that. But yeah, here's what it looks like. We'll go ahead and get that box opened up, take a look at what's inside the box, and get that on there. So I got pretty much everything out of the box here. Got rid of all the wrapping paper and bubble wrap. This is the rear spat. This is the left-hand side one. I really like how they have the engraving. This is Street Aero. I think that looks really nice. Looks like very hard material, hard plastic material. So here's the rear spat I had beforehand, and this is the one from Street Aero. And here's the street Aero right next to it. As you can see, the street Aero looks a lot more aggressive. Has the little pointy fins. All right, so we took off the Maxton design one that I had on there, the rear diffuser, and we put on the street Aero. As you can see, we have the little rear spat area here. I like how it has that engraving there. It's pretty unique. It's a street Aero across. Looks a lot more aggressive than the Maxton design. Alright guys, so got the car out of the garage, rear diffuser's on, rear spat of the diffuser is on as well. Really happy with the outcome overall. I think the rear diffuser makes the car look a lot more aggressive in the rear. Couldn't be more happy with it versus the Maxton design. Maxton's design rear diffuser was really great. I liked how plain and simple it looked, but I think this gives it a lot more of an aggressive touch to the rear of the vehicle, which I was kind of going for here. Thank you so much to Street Aero for the rear diffuser. Really appreciate it, guys. If you guys are interested in a similar rear diffuser, be sure to check the description below. I'm going to include the link to their site if you have any interest in purchasing a similar rear diffuser as this one. I think it looks very nice. I really like the engraving portion right here. Oh, it's a Street Aero there. Alright, so I'll cut this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate every single one of you that took the time to watch the video. If you can go ahead and like, comment below if you have any suggestions for me for future videos. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll continue to make any videos that I have with the progress of the car. Really happy with how the rear diffuser actually came out compared to the Maxton design. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.